Take a deep breath. Now imagine it is your last. You are standing on the surface of Venus. You aren't screaming. You don't even have time to. The air around you isn't just gas. It is a physical weight. 90 times heavier than Earth's. It hits you like a tidal wave of lead, crushing your chest. Before your heart can take another beat, your bones don't just break. They turn into fine white powder. And the heat, it is 475 degrees Celsius. It doesn't just burn you, melts you. Your oxygen tank will explode. Your spacesuit will liquefy. And in less than 10 seconds, your entire existence turns into a puddle on an orange rock. This is Earth's twin, but it is the twin that went to hell and never came back. Welcome to Venus, the planet that erases everything it touches. Imagine diving to the absolute bottom of the ocean. Now imagine the water is gone, but the pressure stays. That is the air on Venus. Its atmosphere is a thick, choking wall of carbon dioxide that even moving your arm feels like pushing through wet concrete. If you stepped out of your ship, the pressure would slam your skull into your spine instantly. Your ribs would collapse inward before you even feel the pain. In the 1970s, the Soviet Union sent their toughest probes here. The Venera missions. They were built like submarines, designed to survive the impossible. But Venus was stronger. They lasted only 2 hours. Then they were crushed into flat pieces of scrap metal. This isn't a world for explorers. This is a world designed to destroy you. Look up at the sky. You won't see the sun, only a permanent, sickly yellow haze. The clouds here aren't made of water. They are made of sulfuric acid. It rains constantly, a silent downpour of poison. But the heat is so intense, the acid evaporates before it ever touches the ground. A never-ending cycle of toxic steam. Venus is what happens when a greenhouse effect goes completely out of control. It is a planetary oven, locked at maximum. For billions of years, there is no night, no wind to bring relief. Only the smell of sulfur and the slow realization that you are being cooked alive. Even the rocks glow, a dull, angry orange, a planet that never sleeps and never stops burning. The surface of Venus is a volcanic graveyard. There are more volcanoes here than anywhere else in the solar system. Over 1,600 giants, bleeding lava, reshaping the planet in a slow, violent process of fire. The ground is chaos, jagged rock, flowing magma, a landscape built on destruction. And above you, the wind, at the top of the clouds, it screams at 360 kilometers per hour. A global hurricane that never ends. You are trapped between a ground that melts metal and a sky that rains poison. No escape, no rescue, no hope. Cage, made of fire, pressure, and silence. We like to believe we can conquer anything. But Venus is different. It is the universe's way of saying, "Stay away," a mirror held up to Earth, showing us what a dying world looks like. So the next time you see that bright light in the morning sky, don't be fooled. Beneath those clouds is a kingdom of pressure and acid. Venus is the twin that destroyed itself. A warning that some places are not meant to be reached. You can observe it, but never dream of landing. Because on this planet, there are no survivors. Only silence and dust. Stay curious, traveler, but stay far away from the morning star. Was Cosmos Protocol.